I just want to give another review from the retreat day that we had. And this is a review from Liz. She said it's a fantastic day retreat. Thank you. I had an amazing time. It was great to take time out to relax, recharge, and re-energize. I so needed it and feel great this evening. I can't thank you enough, and I'm looking forward to the next one. It was amazing spending time together and getting to know everyone. Thank you. So that was from Liz, who came on our day retreat. And this is from Ruth. Thank you, Sandy, and all the participants today. What a wonderful day of mindfulness, yoga, and relaxation. Great to get to know people better and have time away from our usual weekend stresses. So this is for the last retreat that I did. And our next retreat will be on the 27th of February from 9 until midday. And they will be on the last Sunday of every month with a different type of exercise, each one I'm planning. So this one is focusing on stretch, tone, and relaxing, which is a new class I'm offering in Keynsham, and a local walk as well. So if you're interested in that, I would love for you to come. Just contact me for any more information. Take care. Bye-bye.